Alright, this video we'll see how to make an eternity ring with the prongs, with the sharing prongs. Alright, so builder tools. The main thing on this one is like you play with your prongs, you edit the prongs and then you sweep them. Alright, so let's take a gem out. This is okay. Move it here 1 mm. Let's move it more. Point 5. Right now I'm gonna make an array with the minimum gap of 0.2 mm. 32. Let's try with 32. It's too much. F4 28 and still intersecting. F4 22. Alright, measure dimension 0.13 is okay, or you can try even with 21. Okay, now utility. With this thing you can play. If you need to have one extra stone, you can reduce you can increase the height from the front view, and then you can increase the stone. If you need the less stones, you can reduce the height. The meaning is you need to move this down, so you see the yes, less. If you move down, the space get less. Alright, 0.23. Alright, fine, no problem. Okay, so I'm gonna draw a curve which goes from here. I'm gonna make a line from the center, so I'm gonna use the bisector line. Bisectors, F4 over here, then I get a perfect line from the middle of this this diamond. Alright, make sure the project is on. Alright, near, you're gonna move this over here. Okay, you can also copy this line, mirror, copy from this end to this. Oh, I didn't click over here. Copy, F4, enter, so I have a variation. I know what exactly I'm doing. I get this thing mirror over here perfectly. So I'll work on this one. I'll see if everything is fine or no. Move from point to perpendicular. Alright, join them, reveal. Okay, and you can bring them down if you want. You can use the scale 3D, and that's it. Okay, the minimum thickness is gonna be 0.4, so minimum thickness of the prong is gonna be 0.8, so I'm gonna offset 0.4 outside so I get this line on this one. So when I have a thickness, they touch.
Don't overlap each other.
Yeah, they don't come inside this ring, right? Scale 3D. All right. Okay, let me do a mirror and let me just see if everything is alright. Yes, you can see when I try to do a mirror, it's the shape, it doesn't change. Alright, so it's properly symmetrical from both the side. So now I'm gonna move this over here. Let's reduce those points because we don't need them.
So many.
Yep. Okay, now I'm gonna move this. Yes, it's already moved over here. Let's try to do a small pipe. Sorry, pipe with diameter 0.8. Alright, and then you can adjust according to the shape. If you think it's more, okay, it's less over here, more distance. As you can see here, there's much gap, so I will move this one inside. Right now we'll do array just to see how it's come out. Okay, it's good. This is how we need. Now the only thing we have to work is with the overlap. Okay, so this is the one.
Another one.
No, we're gonna work with the one with the same thing. Okay, alright, so the pipe is working fine, and if I do a array, then yes, the insertion of the prong is there, so it's perfect. Now what I'm gonna do is undo this step, undo this too. I'm gonna make a profile in the center. Rounded, f4, 0.8, enter, 0.8, enter, and a little bit rounded on the edges. Okay, now you can make different kinds of prong if you want. You can make a 3-point triangle prong. It goes like this. From the mid. Okay, now you got this one. Now you can even fillet this or chamfer this triangle if you want. Let's make a shape out of that. Alright, got this one, select this two, curve, boolean, input, or alright, but It's not in the. Alright, fine. Okay. Now, how I have a shape which is not symmetric with the three ends. You see this ends. It's like this, and this is like this over here. So, fine. Solid. I'm gonna use this one. Perpendicular orient to curve. Base point F4. I'm gonna click here, and I'm gonna use this end. Alright, as you can see, it's facing to the right hand side. Right, so I'm gonna rotate this over here, 90, orient, F4, click here. Alright, this is how we need both sides, and then I'm gonna do the same thing with this. I'm gonna select the mid. Okay, now sweep one history, click here, click here, click here. There you go. You see? Nice. Now the only thing I have to do is mirror this array. Sorry, not mirror. 21. Now I'm gonna use this curve. I'm gonna get some points on it, and then I'll move this outside. 0.4, enter, and you can see the difference with all of them. You see over here. Alright,
Yes.
that's it. A small trick.
Then you cap them.
Yes, exactly. Move it. Now let's move it 0.3, not exactly 0.3, 0.25, 0.25, enter. This side, and then we have this one going that side. Okay, see, that's it. Alright, now
Taper it like this if you want.
yes, you can even do that.
Inside from the
Yes, you can select this tree. You can move them slightly inside. And that's it. That's how you do it. Alright.
Can you make
Wireframe.
other bezels?
Yes.
Okay.
Select this one. Select this one out. Move. Just to make it bulky or to have a round shape, you can do that. Can even get this out. Alright,
Next.
see?
Next victim.
But make sure it's inside, completely inside. So you can say this is not going inside.
It's not touching the stone, huh?
Yes. Alright, let's make a new kind of design with this ring.
But in this one, you're not going to have under bezel on both sides. You're going to make one down and one up, right? Two bezels. Right?
I'm gonna make only one.
What about it over here? You're going to leave it open?
Yes.
up, boss?
So you can MSR
It's hot, huh?
profile cap. That's it. You can copy this over here, or you can do the same thing with this one. MSR profile cap. That's it,
You know, do error. You close them all. Or you can pick them and do them all the
You
same.
can join them, and you delete everything else. Okay.
Instead of match attributes, you could have array too, right?
Huh?
Instead of match attributes,
Mm-hmm.
you could make array, but they touching the promise.
Yeah, yeah.
That's the problem.
But you get the idea, like how to do this kind
Yes.
of design. Okay, that's it. You can you can use one of them this side and one of them this side, then it holds the prompt in a new way.
You can have 4 prompts.
Yes, you can also do that.
Yes.
Okay, but this one, let's for a change
But in manufacturing, when they overlap each other like this, there is no problem, right?
like this, you mean?
Yes.
If they have,
lapping each other, because
Yeah.
these are 2 prompts coming.
yeah, it's okay. Yeah, there's
It's
no
fine.
problem. Yeah,
Okay.
but it should not touch like this over
No,
here.
of course.
It's not right.
Because I always thought that I don't have to put overlap things on each other.
No, it's okay, fine. All right, that's it. So this one, we'll put this in the job bag. Okay, before I do this one, let me finish this one because this is not correct. I believe every work should be done perfectly.
You see, I did it differently. I draw only one, I played on one, then I add it. You do it all together. I did only one. I got it on one stone like this. I got it the way I want it.
Yeah.
Then I did array polar and all of them they
Yes.
go around.
Now you understood, right?
Yes, this is a different way, but it's easier than the way I did. Even you can make it thinner from here and getting more thicker here.
We can do that.
Yes.
Any concept we can do.
Just design the profiles on bottom and just get it up and that's it.
Mm-hmm.
So leave this now because I will understand what's going on. We will go for something else.
Okay. Okay, just give me 1 minute. So I okay. I know this is wrong, but let's see what we have got. Nice, and this is nice.
It's not twisted like this.
Yeah, it's been twisted. So let's make one of a design.
Okay.
Let's finish this one and we'll make a new design. That's it. Okay.